Hello friends, my name is Sejal and today I'm showing you how I decorated my office desk for fall. So this is the material I got from Hobby Lobby. And I got these things from Dollar Tree. And I got this stuff from Target. I had this canvas which I used. I spray painted this tree with golden paint. And I spray painted this letter S with golden paint too. And sprinkled some glitter over it. I spray painted this house with brown and golden paint on the top. I spray painted this also as it was white and I needed brown one. For this tree I used that Dollar Tree garland and put it in orange small bucket. I took some orange tissue papers and those orange and black fillers and put some butterflies over it. So this is my desk earlier. I had decorated it all purple. And this is my desk now. I kept the tree here and some candies. And here this small sign with vase and cross. This is also one sign and that letter S. It's my initial. And these things. I had this mug which I used. And those leaves which I got from Dollar Tree, I put them in thread. And this is the small scene I created, that small house, and I made that swing and that bench, and it's super cute. I like to see them working. And this scarecrow. Hope you like this video. Thank you all. Bye bye.